Hola, this is Teacher Rain again, and this video is a review on the solving part of the quarter or the first quarter exam on math. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, this review is just, a glimpse on what to expect during the quarter exam. So if you were able to watch this, then definitely I think you can survive the solving part. Now, for the rest of the test types, you can go over it, review on your own, because I will not make any video about it because we already, review the rest of the test types last time. Okay. Now, let's go and, talk about the solving part only. Let's say this is the first item on the solving part. We have this line segment A, B, okay? And in between of this line segment A, B, we have the midpoint C. So when we say midpoint, it creates two equal parts on the line. Therefore, we can say that the line segment AC is congruent to line segment CB. Again, line segment AC is congruent to line segment CB. Now, in the given, we have line segment AC as 5x minus 3. And the line segment CB is 2x plus 9. From here, we can say already that these two expressions are equal to each other. So we can rewrite this as 5x minus 3 equals, hold on, equals to 2x plus 9. I believe you already know on how to, continue after having this equation. Now, when you have this as the first step, you can now combine the like terms by transposing terms together with the terms that they are alike, like 5x and 2x. Combining them using transposing, we must be reminded that their sign changes after transposing. So from positive 2x, it will be negative 2x. Ayan. The other side naman, we have negative 3 and be transposed on the other side. So copy lang muna natin tong positive 9. And since negative siya, after transposing, it will be positive 3. Ayan. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. Ayan. Now, the next step here is to isolate x because x lang yung hinahanap natin. Now, to isolate x from 3, we will divide both sides by 3 para makancel na natin si 3. And what's left? X na lang. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is our x. Now, after having the x, we can now substitute x to 4. All right? The first is, what's the question pala? The question here is to find the line segment AB. So the entire length of this line. But as you can see, we have expressions. So we first have to obtain the value of x. And after having the value of x, we can now substitute x to each of these given expressions. Now, uunahin muna natin si line segment AC. Line segment AC is 5x minus 3. And we know that our x is 4. So 5, 4 minus 3. What is 5 times 4? It's 20. Negative 3. So dito, we have obtained already what is line segment AC. It's 17. Now we can conclude that since line segments line segment AC is 17 and equal lang si line segment AC to line segment CB, we can assume we can conclude already that this line segment CB is also 17. Ayan. Now, to answer the question, what is a B? The line segment AB is line segment AB is 17 plus 17 is equal to 34. Ito yung sagot. I-box natin para makita agad ni teacher. Ayan. So this is the first problem that we have on the review. Now let's head on to the next. Yeah. This time we are on the parallel lines with transversal line. So if this, I mean, line over here are the parallel lines, let's say this lines named RE na lang. RE. Ayan. And our transverse line is line Y. So ray. Ayan. So this RE are parallel to each other and line Y is a transversal to the parallel lines. Now, we can spot some relationships because it creates angles, right? In this figure, we have angles, ano, 8 angles na created. We have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are the angles. And the problem here is we have this angle 1, which is 5x plus 24. Ito yun siya. And we have the angle 4 here is 3x plus 48. Again, our angle 1 is 5x plus 24. And we know that angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles. And in the angle theorem, we know that when we spotted the vertical angles, they are always congruent. So whatever the first angle is, yun din yung measurement ng isa pang angle. So if angle 1 is, let's say, 70, so angle 4 is also 70. We say that they are equal or congruent. Now, since dito sa problem na to ay expressions ang given, we can rewrite this as 5x plus 24 equals, because they are equal to each other now, 3x plus 48. Now, the same method lang yung from the above problem, no? We will combine like terms by transposing. So 5x minus 3x equals negative 24 plus 48. Ayan. So sa side na to, what is 5x minus 3x? It's just 2x, right? Dito naman, negative 24 plus 48, it's just the same as 48 minus 24, so it's 24. Now, to isolate x from 2, we will divide both sides by 2 to cancel out 2. X is now, 24 divided by 2, it's 12. Now we have obtained what's the value for x. Now we are ready to get the exact measurement for the angle 1. This is our angle 1, and this is our angle 4. whatever si angle 1 is, yun din ang number or ang degree or ang measurement ni angle 4. Right? So, let's substitute. The expression for angle 1 is 5x plus 24. So, if our x is 12 plus 24, what is 5 times 12? It's 60 plus 24. So what is 60 plus 24? It's 84. So this is the measurement for angle 1. Ayan, nasagot ba natin yung tanong? Let's go over sa question muna. We found x and we found the measurement of angle 1. So this is how you answer. Therefore, we can say, hold on. Therefore, the measurement of angle 1 is 84 degrees. That's it. Mm, yeah. Dito na naman tayo sa third problem. Yun na ba yung last? Yan ang last. Now, we have this figure. Given that our angle C from CAT, ang measurement daw nito ay 42 degrees. Ayan, ito ay 42 degrees. And XR, where is XR? XR is perpendicular to WT. So, intersecting point CA with line XR and WT. Now, making RAT, where is RAT is a right angle. So this is a 90 degrees. And the question here is, what is the angle or the measurement of angle 1? What is this? Now, let's think this problem logically, no? Because we have a line here that is XR. So if we have a line like this, we can assume that if we will draw a vertex over here, no, and we draw another angle from this line, let's say like this, these two angles are said to be angle pairs. And if we will think of it as an angle pair, then the entire degree will be 180 degrees. So it's from 0 to 180 degrees. So in short, if this is the line XR, dito XR, the entire angle on this side is 180 degrees. Now, we have already given na yung one angle is 90 degree and the other angle is 42. Then what is the missing angle? It's like this. The first angle, which is already 90, plus the next angle, which is already 42 angles, plus the missing angle, which is angle 1, it should give you 180 degrees. So think 90 plus 42. What's the answer for 90 plus 42? 90 plus 42 is, hold on, it's 100, 132. Ayan. So, the sum is 132. Now, if this missing angle here is the measurement of angle 1, then we can just write this as measurement of angle 1 over here and 180. But to find this, we will just transpose 132 on the other side of the equation. So the measurement of angle 1 is 180 minus 132. Ngayon, what's the difference nila 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? O yan, 'di ba? So the measurement of angle 1 is 100 is just 48 degrees. Therefore, ibuksan na natin 'to because this is our answer. So, pwede na natin i-label tong figure which is 38 degrees. 38 plus 42, it's also 90. So to make the statement, therefore, the measurement of angle 1 is 48 degrees. So this is the answer.